Sustainability is taking a serious note in manufacturing, and if you want to look at sustainable measures, if you want to look at sustainable practices in manufacturing, you need to visit Ceratizit at AMB 2024.
Yeah, welcome to the booth of Ceratizit here at the AMB in Stuttgart. You can see here a lot of solutions we offer. We have here our products are also in combination with components. We can machine in different materials. We offer also we show also a lot of solutions in regards to sustainability, because this is a very important topic for us, especially the product carbon footprint we have now for all our products, and show it and can show it here. Here you can see a complete circle now in regards to sustainability and to circularity. We as Ceratizit, we have really closed this circle now, starting from new tool. At the end of the life of the free tool, we have the scrap, but then it really goes into the circle. We do the recycling and get powder again, so that really we can offer the complete range. And this is something we are very proud of, because more than 90% of our tools are already, or of the tools, the recycling rate is already more than 90%. So this is very unique and very special.
Welcome at Ceratizit here in Germany at the AMB Stuttgart exhibition, as you see. And it's one example how we will also run exhibitions coming in Asia. So the next is Jimtov, Japan, Tokyo. So feel welcome and invited here. Then we have coming Bangalore, Imtex, India, next one. And then also CIMT in Beijing, then in April. So there's 3 big exhibitions like this one coming up in Asia. So I openly invite you here to see us at Ceratizit there also. Thank you.